Welcome students of class 11th Geography. Today we are going to cover chapter 1 India size and location from book 2. This is a presentation created by MD Mishra, Puranchand Vidyaniketan, Kanpur. In this chapter we will be covering certain topics. First, India and her location. Second, India's size and administrative divisions. Third, India and the world. Fourth, India and her neighboring nations. Let us take a look of the locational features of India. The latitudinal extent of India. India lies in northern hemisphere between 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degrees 30 minutes north, passes through the middle of the country. Longitudinal extent, India lies in the eastern half of the globe between 67 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. The longitude of 82 degrees 30 minutes east is considered as Indian Standard Timeline, which divides the country into two equal halves of east and west. Certain other locational features of India. India lies to the south of Asian continent. India is a peninsular nation. Indian Ocean is located in the south. Bay of Bengal lies to the east. Arabian Sea is located in the west of the country. Let's take a look of India's size and administrative divisions. India has a vast geographical area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. Because of vast area, India is also referred as Indian subcontinent. India ranks 7th area-wise in the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. The north-south distance of India is 3,200 kilometers. East-west extension is 2,900 kilometers. The total coastal length of India is 7,516 kilometers, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. The maps which are given on the slides are showing you the extent of India from north to south and east to west. Let us take a look of the administrative divisions of India. India has 2.4% land area out of the total land area of the world. India has 29 states and 8 union territories. Here there are two maps showing you all the states along with their capitals in this slide. Here we are understanding the relationship of India with the world. India is the second most populated country of the world. India is well connected with the other important countries of the eastern and western world through the sea routes. India is an international highway of trade and commerce. India's central location at the head of Indian Ocean gives it a great strategic significance. The map which is shown on this slide is showing you a fair connectivity of India with all the eastern nations of Asian continent. Let us discuss certain other points that indicate that India is very properly connected with the rest of the world and had always been a point of interest for entire world. India had always been a junction of cultural and intellectual skills since ancient times. The knowledge of Upanishads, mathematics, astrology and many other subjects have travelled from India to other nations. It shows that India had always been a point of merging for all civilizations in the history. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, this transition became much easier than ever before. Let us talk about India and her neighboring nations in detail. The map which is visible on the slide to you is showing you the 9 nations which are the neighboring nations of India. Altogether, they have formed an association which is known as South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, or which is also called SAARC. All the nations' flag along with their borders which are touching India from each sides are shown on this map. The northern neighbors of India are China, Nepal and Bhutan. The southern neighbors of India are Sri Lanka, Maldives archipelago. Eastern neighbors are Bangladesh and Myanmar. Western neighbors of India are Pakistan, and northwestern neighbor of India is Afghanistan. Let us discuss something about India and her neighboring nations. Here there is a map which is showing you Indian subcontinent. The Indian subcontinent consists of India and her neighboring nations. It has a boundary of approximately 15,200 kilometers, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This boundary touches 9 nations altogether, which are known as the part of Indian subcontinent. Thanks for watching, students. This was a presentation created with joint efforts of MD Mishra from Puranchand Vidyaniketan Kanpur, the IT head and editor Mr. Devendra Singh Yadav from Puranchand Vidyaniketan Kanpur, and the video head Mrs. Soni Saxena from Jagran Public School, Lucknow.